Namaskaram everyone. How are you all doing? I'm Omkar, Isha Hatha Yoga teacher from Thane. So today I'll be sharing some tips of how to take bath properly. So proper technique of taking bath so that you can balance your Ushna in the system and you can become more flexible as well. So the one best thing that you can do towards yourself is taking bath in or taking a dive into a river or a well. Not everybody is privileged to have this. So the next best thing that you can do towards yourself is you can pour a bucket full of water on from the top of the head to the bottom. So bucket full of cool water you can put from the top to the bottom. Now people who are not taking bath like head bath regularly, the next best thing, especially for ladies, what you can do is you can take some water and wet this part, the top of your head. So wet this part of your head. This will also do the similar thing. What it does is it will stabilize the Ushna in the system, so your Ushna won't fall down drastically. Ushna is needed especially when you are doing yoga, particularly Hatha Yoga. If you are doing, you need your Ushna to be stabilized. What it is doing is, why we are saying to take bath like this and to have a cool water bath is, see, one more thing is you should be taking cool water bath, not hot water bath. Why cool water is because when you put cool water over your body, there are a lot of cells on the surface of your skin. So the cells will contract and the space between the cells will open up. Now this is very important when you are doing yoga, when you want to imbibe any energy or when you are doing any energy based practices. It's very important for you. When you put hot water, what will happen? The cells itself will have pores. So cells will expand and that pores within the cells will open up. Now that is not good when you are doing yoga. So that's the reason you always try to take cool water bath. Now that not everybody will be comfortable with taking cool water bath. So what you can do is, initially I'm not asking you to take freezing cold water, but just slightly cooler than room temperature. That is around 3 to 8 degrees Celsius cooler than room temperature. If you are not comfortable with that, what you can do is you can use room temperature water. So mix some warm water and cool water, bring it down to room temperature or slightly warmer than room temperature and use this water. This will be highly beneficial for you. Even medically you will see that people are saying, when you take cool water bath, you will get better sleep, your neurosensory system gets activated, your brain will function much better, your blood pressure, your blood circulation will get better. So there are a lot of benefits to it. And cool water also helps you to completely freshen up and prepares you for yoga, so that when you do yoga you do not sleep. You are highly alert and highly aware when you are doing your practices. So this was the tip of taking bath, which will help you to balance your Ushna and also make you little more flexible. I hope that this tip has helped you. Please do try taking bath and like this, and let me know how your experience was. Namaskaram.